this clip, we're going to discuss the appropriate method for ignition cable removal. On some vehicles, in order to gain decent access to the ignition cables, other portions will need disassembled. On this vehicle in particular, in order to give us some room to work, we're going to remove the PCV valve and corresponding vacuum line. The PCV valve should just pop out of its hole, like so, undo a possible connector or two, and fold it out of the way. The appropriate method for removal of a spark plug wire connector is to twist and pull. Otherwise, a good wire can be damaged during service and need replaced. You give the cable a twist and a pull. The reason for the twist and the pull method is that over time, as the engine heats and cools down, the rubber and the plastic will stick together. If you just grab a hold and yank on it, you will pull that wire apart. The only remedy for that is replacement of another wire. When I service these, like to fold them out of the way. You give it a twist and a pull, and just take and work this wire up out of your way. The more room on these small new cars, the better. Give it a little twist and a pull. Fold this one up out of the way, and we'll take number 5 and just tuck him back over here.